Hey, it's Dougie from Valto, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a day in the life of a HR hiring manager that's using Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 to simplify the day-to-day HR manager's job and streamline the hiring process for a new position. As a Microsoft partner, Valto, we can help you accelerate Copilot adoption by conducting employee training sessions, and we also offer fixed price adoption strategies. So let's jump into the day of a hiring manager and look at how Copilot for Microsoft 365 can make his life easier. So starting off at the beginning of the day, we're going to use Copilot to create a set of interview questions based on a job description. So Omar has several meetings lined up today to interview potential candidates for a senior animation designer role. In fact, actually, I'm going to use a real world example of a Power Apps role that Valto have got open. He asked Copilot to create a set of interview questions that are specific to this position. So let's jump in and take a look. I'm going to start off by going to the Valto website, and under the About Us section, I'm going to go to Join Our Team, and then I'm going to go and find our job roles. So we've got a job role here for a Power Platform developer, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select all the text on the page, copy that, and then I'm going to go into Copilot. And I'm going to say to Copilot, please provide a list of specific interview questions based on the job description below. I'm just going to paste that in. Can only have up to 2,000 characters. So there's two ways you could do this. I've just chosen, just because it's a demo, just to remove them, but it'd actually probably be better if there's a long job description to give the Copilot in multiple chunks to say, here's part one, here's part two, here's part three. But just for speed, I've just removed a bunch of the text, and then I'm going to say, please provide a list of specific interview questions based on the job description below. So then I've just given it a block of the job description. And now it's going to be looking through this, and here we go. Here's some great questions it's already come up with. So can you describe your experience with Power Automate Power Apps, specifically with Canvas apps and model-driven apps? How would you utilize Power Platform capabilities to enhance business processes or user experiences in your previous roles? Can you provide examples of custom solutions? So you can see here, these are all fantastic questions that obviously as the HR hiring manager, they're not a Power App specialist, but they can quickly get some questions to determine in the first interview whether or not this person would be a good fit for this role. Now we've got our interview questions, but before each of the interviews, Omar has Copilot summarize the next candidate's resume, highlighting their skills, experiences, and qualifications. So based on candidate and then their CV, provide a summary of their skills, experiences, and qualifications of the candidate. So now I can open up a CV in Word, which might look a little bit like this as a sample, and then I can ask Copilot to say, please provide a summary of this CV. Obviously, this CV is very light, it's just a sample I've just knocked together, so it's not going to have a load of details in here as if it was a real CV, but you can see here it's quickly knocked together, a bit of a profile, the work experiences, things like that, so it could get together something quick. So I could say, what is this person's best skill? And then it's going to look over that information. Sometimes CVs can be quite lengthy, they can be quite large, it can be over multiple pages. So this is a great way of pulling out that kind of information. So you can see here, it's pulled up that Power Platform developer with 5 years of experience creating and developing Power App solutions. I just wanted to pause here to ask a favor. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel. As you can see, we've got loads of videos all about Copilot, Dynamics 365, SharePoint, Microsoft 365, Power Apps, loads of really useful tutorials, videos, and webinars. So if you haven't yet subscribed, go and check out our channel and subscribe today. The next thing Omar can do is after each interview, Omar commands Copilot to suggest follow-up questions and summarize the key points the candidate made. So in Teams, you can use Copilot to summarize the key points made by that candidate and suggest follow-up questions to learn more about their skills and experience. Now, I don't obviously have a real interview that's been recorded and processed via Teams, but I do have a meeting that I recently joined, which was the Valto's Fire and Rescue Forum. So we get together all the fire and rescues inside of the UK and we talk to them about different Microsoft technologies. So Sam was presenting during this. So I can ask, for example, Copilot to say, what was the key points that Sam made during this meeting? And that's going to go away and it's going to look over this. Now, of course, with the recap section, we've already got the meeting notes. We can see some key things here. But you can see this is where it's now going to break down the key points Sam made. He obviously did the introduction, which we can see he did. He talked about use cases and licensing, the benefits of model-driven apps, and he gave a demonstration as well of this. So we could go into this further, and we could, if this was an interview situation, obviously we could ask it to generate some follow-up tasks, follow-up questions based on what the person said. But I just wanted to evidence here that you can see that Teams is fully aware of what has been spoken about and presented during the meeting, and then we can use Copilot to drill into that a little bit more to get more insights and maybe, as I say, if it was an interview, some more questions that we might go back to the candidate with. And then finally, at the end of this process, Omar has missed a few calls and a few emails whilst he's been inside of these different interviews. So he can command Copilot inside of Outlook to summarize the email threads and then use them to summarize draft responses. So there's a couple of different ways you could do this. You could get Copilot inside of Outlook to summarize all of your emails, or even if it was a very lengthy email that you were looking at, you could get it to summarize just the one. So you could see here, I've got this very lengthy email that Sam has forwarded on to me. So instead of going through and scrolling back maybe weeks, months, or even years, sometimes email threads can go on for, instead I can click on this summary by Copilot, and what this will do is it's going to scan the email, it's looking for the key points, it's combing through the information, and it's providing me a summary. So you can see here it says Joe Blogs from Contoso reached out to Valto for assistance with building a SharePoint internet for organization. Sam from Valto confirmed that Contoso purchased their SharePoint workshop. Joe Blogs informed Sam that they can only available for Wednesdays and Thursdays for a workshop, and Sam asked me to book in that workshop. Joe Blogs is looking forward to getting started on the project. So that means I don't have to go through all of that email thread. There's tens, hundreds of responses in there. It's summarized it for me exactly what I need to do. So wearing my hat now as Omar, if this was the HR manager, you're going to be in and out of a lot of meetings, recruitment, things like that. There could be a lot of emails. You could use Copilot to help summarize your emails afterwards to get back up to speed quickly. Now, a lot of people are using Copilot from an efficiency point of view to actually not just provide sort of text and words and building documents quicker, they're also using Copilot to catch up quickly. So if you're in a lot of meetings and you're maybe missing messages, missing emails, things like that, you can use Copilot to essentially catch you up much quicker than you would have been able to do purely just on your own. So I hope you enjoyed that, as I say, the day in the life of Omar, the HR manager. If you need any help with Copilot, there's a link in the description below which will take you to the Valto website. We offer a free 1-hour Copilot consultation with one of our specialists to talk to you about Copilot and your plans for rolling that out. We also offer fixed price adoption strategies as well. So depending on the size of your organization and the amount of people that is going to be rolled out to, we can offer you a fixed price for actually deploying that and making sure that you actually get your return on investment correct for deploying Copilot and you get the best value for it. So if you enjoyed this video, as I say, like, subscribe to the channel. If you've got any questions at all, use the comment feed below and keep an eye out for our next videos. Thank you.